Working at a dining room table in a dining room chair is very common at home. If not properly arranged, this setup can sometimes cause stress on certain parts of your body. When you're using a dining room chair, or any other chair that is not adjustable, the two most important things to think about are foot support and back support. You'll want to make sure that your feet are supported on the floor or on a footrest. If your feet are not supported by the floor, you can use a box, old phone book, or even a 3-ring binder for foot support. Your chair should do the work of holding you in an upright posture. If you need additional support for your back, try different pillows. Test them out and see which ones work best for you. If you happen to have a backrest or lumbar support, even better. Sitting with your back either straight up and down or slightly reclined is ideal. Working on a laptop poses a challenge. You can get the screen height just right, or you can get the keyboard height just right, but not both. In any situation, it is ideal to be able to see your screen by keeping your head and neck relaxed and looking straight ahead. In order to make this happen for the laptop, we're going to need to elevate the screen first. A stack of books is a great option for raising your laptop screen. Just add books until you can view your laptop screen by looking straight ahead, without bending your neck up or down. Now that you have the screen elevated, you won't be able to safely use the laptop's keyboard without reaching up and putting your upper body into an awkward position. You'll need to add an external keyboard and mouse. You won't be able to do much about the height of your work surface if it isn't ideal for you, but if it's much too high, you can try sitting on a pillow to raise your elbow height nearer to the table height. Just make sure that your feet still have a sturdy surface under them. Using these tips to improve your setup will help you stay comfortable and healthy at work.